everyone. Today I'm going to speak about my smartwatch. I'll tell you the wallpaper is. It's a UFO. So the feature is my father can call me normal call and video call. My mother can do the same. Grandparents, grandmother, even my Bua can also call me. So the whole point, the features are I have a timer in this. So when I eat food in lunchtime and dinner, my father always keep a timer. If I finish in that, then I'll win. If I don't finish in the timer, then I lose. So I'll show you the timer and rest. This is the video call. See, we can do video call also. So I'll show you rest. I have camera. We can do photos with this. Add one more thing. Whatever photos I have made, I can see them. So I have one more. The weather. What's the weather? And this. Okay. Calendar. These two and these two, I don't know. These two, I don't know. So this is the timer. I can keep how much ever I want. See? It continues. Thank you, everyone.